Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. And today I made a visit to Talanta Stadium to check out on the progress, and honestly it's coming up really impressively. It's magnificent. I had an opportunity to get inside and I saw the giant LED screens and the advertisement boards. Those things are really coming out nicely. The seats arrangement, the skyboxes. Here again at Talanta, and to be honest with you, the stadium is really impressive. Not the first time I'm here. I'm here once more, and for sure I can tell you that everything is coming up so nicely. I got an opportunity to see the giant LED screens. There are two of them, both one at the other end and another one at the other end, and they're just massive. Yeah, the advertisement LED boards, they are really coming up so nicely as well. The playing surface, as you can see on this one here, it's already level. And this one right here, those are some of the seats that are waiting to be unpacked and then later installed. Look at that playing ground. Yeah, it really looks so nice.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Getting the view from up here is also very impressive. Look at that. So those who will be sitting here, this is one of the sky boxes. It's not yet complete. Yeah, so look at that playing surface. Those are some of the installed seats at the tier 1. So most of them are green in color. Actually, not most of them. Both the seats in the tier 1 are green in color. So when I say the stadium is taking shape, this is what I mean. Look at that giant LED screen that has already been mounted, giving a glimpse of the kind of match day experience fans can expect. Installation of advertisement LED boards is currently in progress, adding to the modern feel of the facility. These are some of the speakers. You can see them. There are 20 of them all around the stadium, and they are EV brand. Yeah, so many people loving the brand. I actually have no idea of how they perform, and we'll really get to know much about them during the testing day. The playing surface has already been leveled, which is a big step toward completion. Seating is also well underway, with the regular seats installed and VIP sections already in place. Interestingly, the VIP seats are foldable, adding both comfort and style.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up.
just below me here are some of the foldable seats where that guy with the yellow helmet is seated. Those are foldable seats. I believe you saw them. And the rest of the seats all around the stadium are just normal regular seats. And just like I said, some of the skyboxes are already complete. Yeah, showing the premium side of the stadium experience. Like you can see this one over here, it's already done. It has the glass mounted in front of them. Yeah, terraces guards have also been installed, enhancing safety for fans in the upper tier. And from this point here, I'm sure you can now see the foldable seats clearly. So those are them. Yeah, those are the foldable seats. They really look nice. How I wish all of this stadium would have just been having foldable seats installed all around. Nonetheless, that's what the government decided to procure. So we'll just love what we already have.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Even more impressive, some areas are already fully finished and locked, which shows how far long the construction has come. The one you just saw locked there is the entrance of one of the skyboxes. So that means work is progressing nicely. Up there, you can see the public address systems which are already in place. You can also see the giant Philip floodlights, which will enable night matches to be played without any interference. So I'm already loving that. I don't know what you think. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And by the way, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly make sure you do it, because that's the only way you can support this channel. And I'm always very thankful for the fans who are always watching my content, those who are coming back to watch again. For those who are watching for the first time, I'm really thankful for that, and I'm pleading with you just to subscribe to the channel. And I'll be doing more of content like this, not only this one, and some more of the contents that you may like. So just make sure you subscribe, and we'll always walk along. Yeah, overall the progress is exciting to see, and it won't be long before this becomes one of the top stadiums around Africa, East and Central Africa, if I have to say that. Yeah. So let me know what you think about the progress, and don't forget to like, share, and follow for more updates. Have a great day, evening, night, wherever you are. See you next time. Peace out.
take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, isn't that? Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.